In this video, we'll learn about what is mole concept. From the previous class, we have learned about what are atomic masses, molecular masses, and in this class, we'll learn about what is mole concept. Let us take an example of a reaction of water molecule. It is 2H2 plus O2 give rise to 2H2O. What does this mean? This means that two molecules of hydrogen combine with one molecule of oxygen to give what? To give two molecules of water. Okay. Now if we write this equation according to atomic masses, can we write as 4U of hydrogen plus 32U of oxygen will give rise to 36U of water molecule. Okay. So by this we can say that substances in an equation can be represented either by molecules or atomic masses. But now we'll be learning about a new concept called mole concept. What does mole concept say? 1 mole of anything, be it ions, molecules, atoms, or particles, they all belong to one number that's called Avogadro's number or Avogadro's constant. Okay. So for better understanding, we'll take some examples of atoms. Okay. For better understanding, let's take some examples of atoms. Give some examples of atoms. Chlorine, oxygen, sodium. These are enough. Okay. Then we'll take some examples of molecules. Okay. CO2, oxygen molecule, and H2O. All these are different molecules. Okay. Isn't it? You understood what is the difference between an atom and molecule? Molecules are formed with a combination of two or more atoms, whereas atoms are individual elements. Isn't it? Okay, now we'll see about the atomic masses. Okay, what is the atomic mass of chlorine? 35.5U, and whereas for oxygen it is 16U. For sodium it is 23U. Similarly, what are the molecular masses? The molecular masses for carbon, it is how much? How much is for carbon? Carbon, it has 12U plus how many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens into 16U will give rise to how much? Will give 44U. Okay. Now coming to oxygen, 2 into what? 16U will give rise to 32U. Whereas for hydrogen, 2 into 1U plus 16U give rise to 18U. Okay. So this is about molecular mass and this is the atomic masses. I hope you understood what's atomic mass and molecular mass. Now, according to mole concept, according to what? Mole concept, we can say that 1 mole of chlorine, which is equal to 35.5U of chlorine, which in turn is equal to some number. What number? Avogadro's number. So can you say that in 1 mole of chlorine, means 1 mole atoms of chlorine, you can say that it has how much? 35 point U of chlorine, or you can say 35.5 grams of chlorine, or there is a number to be represented. What is the number? The number to be remembered is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This number you have to remember always. This is Avogadro's number. Okay, this was given after a scientist called Amedeo Avogadro. Okay. So can I say that 35.5 grams of chlorine will have 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of chlorine. Okay. Similarly, if I consider 1 mole atoms of oxygen will be equal to how much? 16 U of oxygen, which will also equal to 16 grams of oxygen, that is again equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of oxygen. Okay. Now similarly, if you consider 1 mole atoms of sodium, that will be equal to how much? 23 U of sodium, nothing but 23 grams of sodium. So that can be 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of sodium. Now let's take examples of molecules. H2O. How much does H2 have in it? What is the molecular mass? 36 U of H2O makes what? 1 mole molecules of H2O, which is also equal to 36 grams of H2O, which in turn is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. Okay. You understood the difference? What does Avogadro number says? 1 mole of anything will be equal to its 1 mole of anything will be equal to its atomic mass if it is atom, or it will be equal to molecular mass if it is molecule, which in turn, if it is atomic mass, it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of that molecule, that atom, sorry. Okay. And if it is molecule, then it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of that molecule. Hope this concept is clear. Now let us take some examples for better understanding of mole concept. Examples of atoms and molecules. Okay. We'll take an atom like magnesium. Magnesium, what is the atomic mass? Atomic mass unit of magnesium is, how much is the atomic mass of magnesium? 24 U, which will be equal to 24 grams. 24 U of magnesium will be equal to 24 grams of magnesium, which in turn will be equal to what? 1 mole atoms of magnesium. Okay, 1 mole atoms of magnesium, which will again be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of magnesium. Isn't it? Okay. Now we'll take another example of atom. Let the atom be what? Calcium. Okay. What is the atomic mass? It is 40 U. 40 U of calcium will be equal to 40 grams of calcium, which will be equal to 1 mole atoms of calcium. which will again be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of calcium. Okay. Can you understand the difference between atomic mass and molecular mass? If you are familiar with atomic masses and molecular mass, you can easily understand how to write Avogadro's number according to atoms or molecules. Now, taking some examples of molecules, like calcium oxide. Okay, calcium oxide is a molecule. What is the molecular mass? 40U plus 16U, which is equals to 56U of CaO will be equal to 56 grams of CaO, which will be equal to 1 mole molecules of CaO, which will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of CaO. Understood how to write exactly what is mole concept? Understood everyone? Like how to write mole concept? What does mole concept says? 1 mole of anything will be equal to its atomic masses in atomic mass unit or gram mass, or it is equal to some number called Avogadro's number. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can follow our Facebook page at vktutorials.in. Also our Instagram page vktutorials_. Log on to our website www.vktutorialacademy.com.